Helen?
Oh, hello, Jenny.
Hello.
Come in.
Nice to see you.
And you.
It's been a long time since I last saw you, at least. Oh, yeah?
Yes, must
I
be.
think, something
must
like that.
be.
Now,
yes.
what the viewers won't know is that this lady, in fact, was instrumental in making me do my very first piece of sewing. Way back in 1989, I went to 4 of her most excellent classes, and she taught me log cabin, strip patchwork, cathedral windows, and something else I've completely forgotten, which just goes to prove how well I learnt it. But nowadays, she's doing a wide variety of very different things, and it's making her name in a big way in a very different market. Tell me, what are you doing now? What's this?
Well, I've gone into wool, Jenny.
Right.
I absolutely love wool. I started knitting, you know, when I was a teenager. I used to knit for money and
knit for money?
Yes.
Mercenary woman.
And so I've sort of gone full circle. And you know, dyeing has been my thing for years. So I've now started dyeing wool.
And you've dyed all these?
I've dyed all those,
right.
mixing just with the 3 primary colours, mixing them together to create
So out of your red, your blue and your yellow, you've got those.
But you know, as a dyer, it's turquoise, magenta and lemon yellow.
Right, okie dokie.
Just had to pick you up on that. Also, I dyed a load of yarn because I love that self-patterning yarn.
Yes,
and I thought there must be a way that you can do it yourself.
So pass me a bit, please, because I can't see it from there.
Right. Well, look at this piece.
Right.
Now,
okay.
if you imagine this.
Yes.
Okay, it's rather a long hank.
Yes.
Which you make by putting up a couple of chairs on your dining room table
and you
wrapping it
round. Good exercise.
You then dye that bit one colour.
Right.
This bit another colour. So when you knit, imagine knit, blue,
stripes,
knit, white.
And we get blue and white stripes.
Yes.
Excellent.
And then if you dip it into yellow, you get blue, yellow, and a bit of green.
So it's like the variegated cottons that I can buy for my sewing machine. I can do that with wool.
Absolutely.
I think that's spot on the excellent.
Absolutely.
Right. So you've got this knitted wool and dyed wool.
And so we started with yarn.
Right.
And then I went on to doing actual fibre. So this is called wool tops.
Right, the tops of wool.
And because I've started spinning, you see, in my spare time.
There's no end to this woman. Spinning in your spare time. I mean, I spin in my regular time.
I thought, wow, I could actually wrap this
round a cord for your coil pots. Because remember, those of you, where's your book on coil pots? So, do you know, you really can't get the staff these days. They just don't bring the book on it's textile coil pots. What's the rest of its title?
That's it, textile coil pots and baskets.
So if you wanted to know how to make the textile coil pots,
we may get a magic hand coming in. Wow.
Technology, there it is. She forgot the and baskets. Anyway, textile coil pot. So this is
actually being made by hand. So I'm just sewing around.
Spinning and hand sewing. Oh, crikey, right.
But you can also do them on the sewing machine.
Go on.
So look.
And look, just stop me. These are super. Look, aren't they lovely? And it's a wonderful way of packaging.
So that's all been dyed by me and blended.
I could use it for the embellisher.
Of course you could.
So these,
of course you could. Or felting.
Oh,
or wet felting.
Yep, that's when you can really get sort of into it and get hands-on and beat the living daylights out
of it.
Or
spin it.
No, I don't do spinning. Sorry, no, that's slow. We don't do anything that's slow.
And the other little thing that I've got into. Do you remember this pot, Jenny?
Yes. Go on. Let me wear it.
Jenny was doing a talk in the States, and of course had to wear this as a hat.
Yes, and very good.
But it made me think, why not
make
hats? So now we have
Helen,
hats.
ace, and that's just my colours. Oh, that really is absolutely superb. Just don't I look very fetching? Oh, even better. I mean, just think. Flower on that will be really
exactly.
Good. I think
exactly.
Those are cracking.
Aren't they fun?
Oh, so this is wool tops like that, which you could use on embellishing or anything else, wrapped around your cord.
Yes.
And then, did you do that? You did that on the machine?
I did that on the sewing machine.
Right, so the same way that you do the textile coil pots.
Absolutely the same.
That.
Yeah, but you just get this lovely, they feel, I wish you could feel them.
It really is, it's so touchable. And of course you could screw it up and stick it in things and...
and you can just shove it in the washing machine.
Brilliant. Now, if I wanted to know how to dye wool, You've got a
That's
book.
the book.
That's the book.
The book. Dye
And
one, knit one.
It's got this really, really super binding, so that inside you can have it open flat like that, and yet on the shelf you can see what you've actually got on the shelf. That's good. What else have we got here? Beautiful braiding. That's good too.
And
Magic dyeing.
And that's dyeing cotton.
Dyeing cotton, right.
Yes.
And then there's...
And that's my very first book that I made because I broke my arm.
Book. I remember you doing it. You tripped over something at Harrogate, wasn't it?
That's right, yes.
It wasn't your own feet, and it wasn't after a large drink either.
No, it wasn't.
You were quite sober at the time. Which
Yes.
and this is another one. Or have we got two of the same?
We've got two of the same.
Oh dear, well there you are. You can have double trouble. This is fantastic. So the next book that's coming out will be on hats, will it?
I don't know. I vowed that I wouldn't write any more books. I've written 5, and but you never know.
Absolutely. And I'm just noticing your earrings. You've even got hand-wound coil earrings.
Of course, of course.
There is no end to this amazing woman's talent. Years ago, she taught me how to do strip patchwork. She made these beautiful quilts. Now look at her, from these fantastic hats to this amazing woolly things. She spins, you haven't done weaving yet, have you?
No.
You've got weaving yet to come. But I rate Helen Deighan as a really, really talented lady, and I'm very glad I'm your mate.
And I'm glad I'm your mate.
Thank you.
We're mates together.